Today we're going to go over the days of the week. I will have a lesson in transparent language on these days for helping to memorize and pronounce them. When I would teach the days of the week to the kids, I taught them a days of the week song. I would also use a little calendar with the name of the month and then our days across. Now, in the classroom, it was a big calendar where you could change the numbers and the days and the months and stuff, but this is just a little picture that I have. And I would point to the day and we would sing the days of the week across the calendar. So they would get that spatial awareness. And then I could ask like, um, Ani Ejigijigak Nongom, what is the date today? And then oh Nongom Mada no Kigishika. Today is Monday. Anin Gai Jigijigak Bijinago, what was the day yesterday? Oh Anwebigijigak Gi Anwebigijigak Bijinago. It was Sunday yesterday. Anin why Jigijigak Wabang, what will the day be tomorrow? We Neo-Gishigak Wabang. It will be Tuesday tomorrow. So and then they're learning like the before and the after and whatnot. It's just you have to use a lot of visuals when you're trying to give them that information in a different language. But for now, I'm going to go over the days of the week and their translations. Keep in mind that you may hear other words for the days of the week. Ojibwe is a descriptive language, so you will be understood. Days of the week names can differ by community, dialect, even by personal preference. But in general, the first school I worked at, this was the word that we used for Sunday, Anwebigishigat, which means it is rest day. At the other school I worked at, we used Anamaegishigat, which means it is prayer day for Sunday. And so that can differ just by speaker preference. So I'll teach you the song using both those translations based on your preference. Let's see. Anwebe Gishigad, it is Sunday, is what that translates to. Mad Noki Gishigad, it is Monday. It also translates to it is the first working day. Nijo Gishigad, it is Tuesday, or it is the second day, because they start on Mada first and then second for Nijo. Abatuse is Wednesday. There is no Yijigad, which is the word for it is a certain day, or it is day. It's just Abatuse, which more or less translates to halfway or halfway through. Neo Yijigad, Thursday, or it is the fourth day. Neo Yijigad. Nano Yijigad, it is Friday, or it is the fifth day. And then we got a mouthful here. I'll say it fast, and then we'll break it down. Yizibi gisiganage, yijigad. And once you get the hang of it, it's really fun to say. So we'll go slow. Ge, zibi, gisa, ginege, yijigad. And that breaks down to it is floor washing day. And that's why it's such a mouthful. Now, if you ever see a really long word where you just are tongue-tied and your brain is getting ahead of you faster, there are a couple methods for doing that. Listen to it multiple times and then say it without trying to read it, because your eyes are reading faster than your mouth is able to keep up with you when it comes to like new sound combinations. So, that is one method. The other method, and you can combine these, is you start at the end and you work your way backwards, and then you go to the beginning and work your way forwards. You meet in the middle and then read all the way through. So let's do that. And you go by syllable. So ge, ne ge, ne ge, sa ge, ne, sa ge, ne ge, sa ge, ne ge. Now we go to the beginning. Ge, gizi, gizibi, gizibi, gisa, gizibi, gisa, ge, ne Ge. Gizibi gissa ginege. There you go. And then our song using unwavy is unwavy gijigat maranoki gijigat nijo gijigat abituse nio gijigat nano gijigat izibigisiganege gijigat. And I would sing that pointing across the calendar. The other version is with Anama e Gishigad, Anama e Gishigad, Maranoki Gishigad, Nijo Gishigad, Abituse, Nio Gishigad, Nano Gishigad, Gizibigisigane Gishigad. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that, and stay tuned for more. Bamapi.